And some days I just can't sit still. Today was one of those days. I think I wore myself out. I'm tired. It is almost 8 o'clock and I have been busy all the livelong day. Got the bike out, got it in the bike tent, finished putting the fridge back together, made cupcakes because I got bored, put everything back under the sofa. Just a lot of little things, but I got stuff done. So my sister and her husband get here tomorrow, and I hope I can just kick back and take it easy because I just cannot sit still today. Every time I tried to sit down, whoop, I'm back up again. Some days are like that. I'm cooking up the rest of my potatoes and veggies and sausage. So that'll be a couple of meals, probably about 3 meals. So, and I spiced it up, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, Tony Chachere's, and a little bit of celery salt. So that'll be good. And this way I can go probably to the store tomorrow and get some more supplies. Yum yum, looks good. Stupid weather. I didn't get a chance to take my awning down. And the ground's so soft it just wants to pull the stakes right up. It's gonna pass over. So I'm just gonna stay out here and keep pushing my stakes in the ground until it passes over. Hopefully it'll dry and then I can just put it away. Dang it. Yeah, you can see the guy lines coming loose. Ugh. Glass building, that is an Ace Hardware. I have never seen such a fancy Ace Hardware in my life. Wow.
Good to see you. She wants some bread. Still good. Go first? Sure. All right. You want me to hold the dog? Oh, here. Give me the dog. I'll hold her. I want to. I'm not going to stand there when it goes off. Hey.
Maybe she knows it's going to happen.
Where you going?
She can prepare herself.
I want back to
Maybe.
time.
Maybe
He's
not.
going to know. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! La 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 la. Alright, That's why I yelled it twice. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
How many greens do you put in yours?
3 casts or 3 up.
Oh, you guys should have put like
I put 100 greens.
Ooh, ah! Yeah. Much better. Hey. Here, we put it up over here.
Okay, I'm at a campground, so kind of got a little bit of a mess going on, but it's not too bad. Put up my bike tent here so I can put my extra stuff in it. Yeah, just stuff that, anyhow, stuff. And my table, I've got to clear it off. I just have a few items there because I was sorting through stuff. There's the van with the awning. That awning has been really good. I got it on clearance at Walmart. And it's been really, really good. I have it staked down to the ground. And then there's my e-bike, which I need to work on. Yay. But first we're going to open up this package. Okay, let's open this thing. Okay, so what I bought was some screw-in heavy-duty wind stakes because my other awning got torn up. It got broken. It didn't get torn up, it got broken though. And it got windy when I got here, so I decided to just order these. Wow, these are really heavy duty. Okay, let's just dump it on here. So there we go. Yeah, screw this into the top. Oh, okay, it came with a tool. That's awesome. So you would just, a hand tool here. So that's pretty cool. And you could also use a drill bit. 14 millimeter. And then that's all metal. So that'll drive into the ground and those suckers should stay wherever you put them. So there you go. It says, oops, easy installation, manual, electric, effort saving, high quality metal, corrosion resistant, and durable. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I paid like $26 for these on Amazon. And of course they have protection on the spikes. So we'll see. Nice. Okay, even better, even better. It has a bit with it. That's even better yet. Wow. That's cool. That's cool. That's worth the $25 or $27 or whatever it was. That's well worth it. So what I have to do is take this thing off and get this spring-loaded doohickey back on it. That's not easy. Ugh. Yeah, the screw got stripped. That's not good. But this thing has a hole here for the spring to go into and a hole here for the spring to go into. Just makes it hard to line up. Yeah, I don't even know if the screw is any good anymore. It's pretty stripped. Shoot. It's really stripped. It is July 16th, 2025. Everybody's gone. They're gone. Yeah. My brother was right here. And his girlfriend Leslie. My sister Debbie and her husband Steve were over here. And then we had some new to me friends that were right here. David and Mary. So yeah, huge pile of firewood, the fire thing ring there. So yeah, I just came outside because it was super windy, and then the winds just kind of like died down. This thing's holding up really well, which is amazing. So I'm pleased with it. But yeah, it's kind of nice to just be out here. Take a little walk. Quiet, quiet park. It's supposed to be 90 today, but it feels nice. It actually feels pretty nice. I have the AC running in here. I will have to do a video on my AC setup, how I'm doing it. I seasoned this yesterday. It's cast iron. I seasoned it on my brother's barbecue grill. My brother-in-law's barbecue grill. So now I can actually use this to cook. But in the meantime, I'm just putting it away. It's still new. It hasn't been used yet because this needed to be seasoned. So, I like to take care of things until I, just like to take care of things. So until I use it, I'll just leave the bags on everything. It's pretty cool. But put the bag over this one too. Okay, I'm gonna put it away until I need it.